Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create a web page on SharePoint step by step. You'll need edit permissions on your SharePoint site to follow along. First, navigate to the SharePoint site where you want to add the page. Just go to your site's homepage in your browser. You should see your site's navigation and content. Once you're there, look at the top of the page and click the plus new button. A drop-down will appear. Select page from the options. This will open a right panel showing various page templates. In that template panel, choose the template you want to start with. For this walkthrough, I'll use the blank template. Once you've selected it, click Create Page at the bottom of the panel. The page editor will open with a blank canvas ready for you to work on. Now add your page title. At the top of the editor, you'll see a field that says Add a Title. Click in there and type your title. The page title is required, so you won't be able to save without one. If you want to add an image to the title area, click Add Image in the toolbar on the left side of the screen. You can choose a recent image or upload one from your computer, your site, or a link. The image will appear in the title area once you've selected it. Next, let's add some content to the page. Hover your mouse below the title area and you'll see a line appear with a circled plus icon. Click that plus icon. This brings up the web part picker showing all the available content types. You can add things like text, documents, video, and more. Select the web part you want to add. Once you insert it, the settings panel appears where you can configure the web part and add your content. Each web part has its own settings where you can configure it how you need. If you want to save your work without publishing, click the Save button in the top toolbar. This saves the page as a draft that only you can see. When you save and close, it becomes a shared draft, meaning other people with edit permissions can see and work on it too. When you're ready for your page to go live, click Publish in the top right corner of the editor. The page will become visible to everyone who has access to your SharePoint site. Your pages are stored in the Site Pages library, so you can always go back and edit them later. To add your new page to the site's navigation menu, go to Site Contents, open the Site Pages library, find your page, and select Add to Navigation. If you need to edit a published page, just navigate to it and click Edit in the top right corner. After making changes, click Republish to save them. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.